I think you might choose Sieg Miller Johnson because they really truly do care about the individuals going through the cases. That does personalize it. Again, through personal reference, you're looking to feel as though you matter and you're important. When you've gone through a traumatic situation in life, as you would with a doctor or anything in life, you want to feel the healing process begin, and Sieg Miller Johnson is very effective at helping to get to that place. With my case, I essentially was riding a motorcycle on the street in the carpool lane, and a vehicle crossed over the double yellow lines into the carpool lane without a passenger and struck my bike. I was ejected going approximately 65 and landed on my head and my shoulders on the center concrete divider, dislocated my shoulder, flipped over, dislocated my leg, kind of rolled around on the freeway, slid across, hit a construction truck, and then bounced further down the road. And at the end of it, once I had finished sliding and rolling, kind of got my bearing and made sure that no cars were going to run me over, stood up, recognized that my right knee and my left shoulder were dislocated, so I had to put those back in place on scene, and then had some left wrist injuries with my scaphoid being broken, numerous back injuries and abrasions and cuts. To date, and how the treatment's gone, you know, I've often heard that simplicity of character is the result of profound internal thought. I think that can reflect an individual or an organization, and Sieg Miller Johnson really seems to be succinct and straightforward with information, well educated, but not looking to be verbose and putting on a flashy presentation. And I think they really have a personal aspect and feel to their firm and how they treat their clients. So to date, I've been very happy. There seem to be a lot of professionals engaged, and they seem to be a moving firm in that I know that they're in the process now of negotiating and always looking at cutting edge treatment and making sure that they've got the best service for their clients. And so being a client, that to me is important to know that they're really looking for new opportunities and giving the ultimate best end result that the client would be happy. So being affiliated or referred to a firm like this, I think for me is a positive thing. If you're hurt and you want to find the right lawyer, I think reference is always great. Word of mouth in any business, you know, word of mouth seems to be the most powerful thing because that personalizes it. You're hearing it from somebody who's a live, breathing person that you know and you have trust and belief in, and so that reference means something significant. And I personally was referred through a personal reference, but I think it's good to ask around. I think word of mouth travels, and I think people find out and hear. It's an electronic age and a worldwide age. You can go online and you can call information, but at the same time, once you've connected with a place, look at references. Talk to people who have gone through the process, people like me that are helping to speak right now. I think it's important to see breathing life people that have gone through the experience for which you might be going down in the future to understand where you can expect to be in the end. Straightforward. I like that they're straightforward. I like that they are caring. And I don't mean that from the perspective of them just being caring to settle the case only quickly, which is important, but they want to settle it quickly and fairly and effectively so that you as the client can feel as though you've been serviced best. I think the best part of the experience has been just recognizing that they are very professional and want to really help me get better. It feels as though I'm not alone in the process. It really truly seems as though they want to see that happen regardless of if it takes more time on their end, more effort than they might have originally anticipated, they're willing to put that forward. So they really truly seem to be committed through action, not just words, to getting me to a place of healing.